Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the next target of Enjin coin, what's the chance goes in an Enjin coin, and what's the next target of Enjin coin according to the price prediction of the last one day friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets friends. Now let's see the price prediction of the Enjin coin after last one day. After that we decide that what's the next target of Enjin coin friends. So friends, if we look the change occur in Enjin coin in the last one day is about 9.1%, and the high price of Enjin coin is 3.26 USD dollar is the high price of Enjin coin in last one day friends. Now if you look the current price of Enjin coin, so the current price of Enjin coin is about 3.18 USD dollar friends. So friends, if we look the graph analysis of the Enjin coin, so we can detect that what's the next goal in a Enjin coin friends. As you can see here, continuously jump occurs in the Enjin coin from the previous last one day friends. Now if you look the currently change of the Enjin coin, let's see the currently at this time. As you can see here on the graph, it is the currently condition of the Enjin coin. As you can see at the previous last one day is a continuously jumping occurs of the Enjin coin, but after at this period the jumping of the dumping of the Enjin coin are start now. Falls occur, bullish falls occur in Enjin coin are starts now from this period friends. Now if we look the what's the currently conditions, what's the next changes occur in Enjin coin. So as you can see here, after a fast, as you can see here, if we zoom it so you can understand it better. Now as you can see here, so friends, as you can see here now, the fast occur in the Enjin coin you are watching now. As you can see, so what's the next target of Enjin coin? The next target is to again jumping friends. As you can see now, as if we look the this time the greater, if we look the, as you can see here, so at this time they go in a straight line. As you can see, like a straight line in the end, please. As you can see here, they go like a straight line. So in this time they after some time they again start jumping upward like this type, and after just some falls, again falls down, and after again a small falls, after again a small falls, they start again a high explosion, mean high jumping friends. So a high jumping occurs in the Enjin coin are coming soon. That's the next target. A big pump occurs in the Enjin coin in the future days. Please hold your Enjin coin and wait for the big pump. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Enjin coin. Enjin coin is one of the best cryptocurrencies which are moving upward. As you can see here, the last one day price prediction chart tell us that a continuously jump occurs in the Enjin coin. That's why my suggestion for all of Enjin coin holders that please hold your Enjin coin with the last of this month, because a big explosion occur in the Enjin coin. What's your opinion about that? Please share in the comment box. And I am not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in these coin, please do your own research. Thank you so much for watching this video.